Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil with Semper Futures. It is Thursday, 14th, in front of, the night of 1,000 shenanigans, I guess, maybe, which is the time between the close today and open tomorrow, which is expiration for the futures and the AM SPX and the AM options and all kind of stuff is going to expire in the morning. And so there's certainly the potential for some pushing things around. Any bank or whatever position big enough that it warrants kind of trying to push price around tonight? May very well. And don't be surprised if it is. Today, here's what you're looking at on screen. So far left, you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is from left to right there is sort of sideways. And then Thursday today pops up a little bit, went right to that 55 level we mentioned last night. In fact, traded 60, but the point of control on today is indeed 55. So next, what I want to see from here is down. Now, that's what I want. That's the way that's what I'm looking for. That's I sold into them latter part of the day today, the trade room and everything. So, we'll see what happens. But here's the deal. Target's down here at 45.20. 20 and 25, but really 20, 45.20. On a market profile, it's 25. On a volume profile, it's 15. So that's why I'm split the difference and call it 20, 45.20. All right. And if it goes higher, I don't really know where to put it. I really don't. I would probably into. Let me look. I just don't really have a place for it for higher, but let's say 20 higher into like 85 or something like that. But down is what I'm trying to look for, and down is 45.20 in the December futures, and that's what I'm trying to see for tomorrow. And so, we just did this last night, right? We said it was right at that 20 and 25 mark, let them go up to about 55 today, and then down and start working its way down. And so the first leg of that's complete. It's up today, indeed, 55. And on step 2, I want to see fall through, to the downside. So that's what I got. Good trade. Hope it helps. Maybe check again next week, see how this whole thing plays out. Either way, we'll start a fresh new week next week and get away from this triple witching craziness and, see what we got from there. By the way, crude is probably, we talk about S&Ps in this free video or whatever, but crude's, man, go check out crude. It's just higher every time you look at it. Had a target today of $90.70 in the room. And it's, as of the moment now that I'm doing this video, is at $90.74, and it's nothing wrong with that. Next target for crude, though, is $91.50. $91.50. Really anything above 88.8 targets, 91.50. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do there. But good trade. Take care. Talk to you soon. Next update. Good night.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me